satisfaction in life. This involves setting goals that align with one's values and working towards achieving those goals. Cultivate a positive mindset. Cultivating a positive mindset is important in creating joy and satisfaction in life. This involves focusing on the positive aspects of life, practicing gratitude, and reframing negative thoughts. Get out of your comfort zone. Getting out of your comfort zone is important in creating joy and satisfaction in life. This involves taking risks, trying new things, and stepping outside of one's comfort zone. Practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness is important in creating joy and satisfaction in life. This involves being present in the moment, accepting things as they are, and avoiding judgment or resistance. Engage in hobbies and activities. Engaging in hobbies and activities is important in creating joy and satisfaction in life. This involves pursuing activities that bring joy and fulfillment and exploring new interests and passions. Volunteer and give back. Volunteering and giving back is important in creating joy and satisfaction in life. This involves helping others and contributing to one's community, which can bring a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Practice forgiveness. Practicing forgiveness is important in creating joy and satisfaction in life. This involves letting go of grudges and resentment towards others, which can free up mental and emotional energy to focus on positive experiences and relationships. In conclusion, developing skills to create joy and satisfaction in life requires dedication and practice. By practicing gratitude, cultivating positive relationships, practicing self-care, pursuing meaningful goals, cultivating a positive mindset, getting out of one's comfort zone, practicing mindfulness, engaging in hobbies and activities, volunteering and giving back, and practicing forgiveness, individuals can create a more fulfilling and happy life. It takes time and effort, but the benefits of developing these skills are immeasurable. Creating joy and satisfaction leads to a more positive outlook on life, improved mental and emotional well-being, and greater overall satisfaction in both personal and professional life. By developing these skills, individuals can improve their quality of life and experience more fulfillment and happiness. Top 10 Ways to Develop Skills to Create Joy and Satisfaction in Life. Finding joy and satisfaction in life comes down to developing certain skills and habits. Here are the top 10 ways to cultivate the abilities needed to create more meaning and happiness. Practice gratitude. Make a habit of appreciating the good things in your life, large and small. Gratitude counteracts discontentment. Savor experiences. Slow down and fully engage your senses to soak in pleasure from life's moments. Learn to savor both joyful and ordinary experiences. Connect socially. Build and strengthen relationships by spending quality time with friends and loved ones. Social bonds are a primary source of joy. Perform acts of kindness. Do small things that bring happiness to others. Giving to others activates the reward centers in your brain and improves your own well-being. Focus on your strengths. Identify your natural talents and interests and find ways to engage with them daily. Using your strengths builds satisfaction and confidence. Set meaningful goals. Choose goals that align with your values and priorities. Working towards something bigger produces a sense of purpose. Practice mindfulness. Training your mind to focus on the present moment teaches you to find joy in each instant. Mindfulness reduces mental clutter that blocks happiness. Embrace challenges. View setbacks not as disasters but opportunities for growth. Struggles build resilience that allows you to savor life's joys more deeply. Accept imperfection. Unrealistic standards cause discontent. Instead, meet yourself and others with self-compassion and acceptance as you are. Nurture hope and optimism. Maintain a hopeful outlook that good things are still possible. Optimism attracts more opportunities for satisfaction.